UCS Ultimate Civil Engineering Solutions.
ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, UCSൻ്റെ പുതിയൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. റെയിൻഫോഴ്സ്ഡ് സിമെൻറ്റ് കോൺക്രീറ്റ് എന്ന ടോപ്പിക്കിൽ നിന്നുള്ള 25 പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസറുകളാണ് ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിലൂടെ നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ചോദ്യത്തിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ദ റേഷ്യോ ഓഫ് അൾട്ടിമേറ്റ് സ്ട്രെസ് ടു വർക്കിംഗ് സ്ട്രെസ് ഈസ്. ഓപ്ഷൻസ് ആർ: ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ഫാക്ടർ ഓഫ് സേഫ്റ്റി, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ഇലാസ്റ്റിക് ലിമിറ്റ്, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി yield point, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ബ്രേക്കിംഗ് പോയിന്റ്. Answer is option A, factor of safety. Next question, a high modular ratio shows. Options are: option A, higher compressive strength of concrete, option B, lower compressive strength of concrete, option C, higher tensile strength of concrete, option D, lower tensile strength of concrete. Answer is option B, lower compressive strength of concrete. Next question, the percentage of steel as per IS recommendation in compression should not exceed. Options are: option A, 0.15%, option B, 1.5%, option C, 2.5%, option D, 4%. Answer is option D, 4%. Next question, according to limit state of collapse, value of partial safety factor for steel and concrete are. Options are: option A, 1 and 1, option B, 1 and 1.2, option C, 1 and 2, option D, 1.15 and 1.5. Answer is option D, 1.15 and 1.5. Next question, the neutral axis of beam is subjected to dash stress. Options are: option A, maximum tensile, option B, minimum tensile, option C, maximum compressive, option D, 0. Answer is option D, 0. Next question, the ratio of Young's modulus of elasticity of steel to that of concrete is known as. Options are: option A, Poisson's ratio, option B, modular ratio, option C, bulk modulus, option D, elasticity. Answer is option B, modular ratio. Next question, the modulus of rupture of concrete gives. Options are: option A, the direct tensile strength of concrete, option B, the direct compressive strength of concrete, option C, the tensile strength of concrete under bending, option D, the characteristic compressive strength of concrete. Answer is option C, the tensile strength of concrete under bending. Next question, in cantilever beams, compression is developed at the. Options are: option A, top of section, option B, side of section, option C, middle of section, option D, bottom of section. Answer is option D, bottom of section. Next question, the strength of concrete means its capability to resist. Options are: option A, compression, option B, tension, option C, shear, option D, moisture. Answer is option A, compression. Next question, the unit weight of RCC in kilogram per meter cube is. Options are: option A, 1200, option B, 1800, option C, 2400, option D, 2500. Answer is option D, 2500. Next question, The RCC elements such as beams, slab, etc. the maximum size of coarse aggregate is generally limited to? Options are option A 40 mm, option B 20 mm, option C 10 mm, option D 6 mm. Answer is option B 20 mm. Next question. In structure where one or two dimensions are more than 20 meter, which type of joints are provided? Options are option A expansion, option B contraction, option C sliding, option D construction. Answer is option A expansion. Next question. Steel reinforcement are added to the concrete primarily. Options are option A to gain tensile strength in the concrete, option B to improve the compressive strength of concrete, option C to increase the shear strength of concrete, option D all the above. Answer is option A to gain tensile strength in the concrete. Next question. To improve tensile strength in concrete, dash are used. Options are option A steel bars, option B fine aggregate, option C cement, option D coarse aggregate. Answer is option A steel bars. Next question. The minimum concrete cover for reinforcement under seawater should be dash. Options are option A 40 mm, option B 50 mm, option C 75 mm, option D 90 mm. Answer is option C 75 mm. Next question. What is shear wall? Options are option A wall carries shear force, option B wall designed to carry bending moment, option C wall designed to carry lateral loads in its own plane, option D wall which produce shear force in its plane. Answer is option C wall designed to carry lateral loads in its own plane. Next question. Characteristic compressive strength of concrete is. Options are option A the same as the average cylinder strength, option B the same as the average cube strength, option C lower than average cylinder strength, option D higher than average cube strength. Answer is option B the same as the average cube strength. Next question. Quality of reinforcing seal is evaluated. Options are option A compressive strength, option B tensile strength ductility, option C yield strength ductility, option D none of the above. Answer is option C yield strength ductility. Next question. As per IS guidelines, for underwater concreting, the water cement ratio shall not exceed. Options are option A 0.60, option B 0.50, option C 0.45, option D 0.40. Answer is option C 0.45. Next question. The recommended value of maximum water cement ratio for concrete using 20 mm nominal maximum size aggregate subjected to extreme exposure is. Options are option A 0.45, option B 0.4, option C 0.5, option D 0.55. Answer is option B 0.4. Next question. The beam section has to be redesigned if the shear stress exceeded the allowable shear stress by. Options are option A 1.5 times, option B 2 times, option C 4 times, option D 10 times. Answer is option C 4 times. Next question. If the actual neutral axis of a reinforced section is above the critical section, then the section is. Options are option A over reinforced, option B balanced, option C under reinforced, option D none of this. Answer is option C under reinforced. Next question. The section in which concrete is not fully stressed to its permissible value when stress in the steel reaches its maximum value is called. Options are option A under reinforced section, option B over reinforced section, option C double reinforced beam, option D cantilever beam. Answer is option A under reinforced section. Next question. What is the clear cover required for beam? Options are option A 25 mm, option B 20 mm, option C 40 mm, option D 15 mm. Answer is option A 25 mm. Final question. In a singly reinforced beam, steel reinforcement is provided in. Options are option A tensile zone, option B compressive zone, option C both tensile and compressive zone, option D neutral axis. Answer is option A tensile zone. റെയിൻഫോഴ്സ്ഡ് സിമെൻറ്റ് കോൺക്രീറ്റ് എന്ന ടോപ്പിക്കിൽ നിന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്ത പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസറുകളെല്ലാം തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്കെല്ലാവർക്കും ഉപകാരപ്രദമായിരിക്കുമെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ഇതുപോലുള്ള കൂടുതൽ വീഡിയോസിനായി പ്ലീസ് ലൈക്ക്, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ആൻഡ് സപ്പോർട്ട് മൈ ചാനൽ. താങ്ക് യു.